Hi, this is Diane from Spotahome, London, and today I'm in Swiss Cottage area. Today I will be showing you a really spacious and bright 3-bedroom apartment. 1 bedroom is available right now. It's a really nice and quiet area. It's only 8 minutes walk from the tube station on Jubilee line, which is amazing. So let's go inside and I will show you the apartment. Okay. Here we have the main corridor. Looks really nice. From the left side we have bedroom number 1. It's not available right now. I'll be showing you bedroom number 2. This bedroom is really spacious and nice. We have a double bed in here. Small bedside table. We also have a desk, a chair, and 2 built-in wardrobes. They're really big, so there will be a lot of space to store any of your things. And in here we have a window which goes to the street. As you can see, neighborhood is quite nice. We have a heater in here. Okay. From the left side we have a bathroom. It's pretty big as well. So in here we have a tub, we got a sink, and we have a toilet, and also we have a big mirror. And here we have a living room. Really spacious. Here we also have a dining area. As you can see, we have dining table for 4 people. We got a comfy sofa, 2 chairs, nice glass table, flat TV screen. Also we got some shelves, window which goes to the street, and here we have a kitchen. Kitchen is full equipped. So there are pots and pans, big fridge in here, like enough space to store any food, plenty of knives. We also have an oven, microwave, sink, dishwasher, which is really nice, also washing machine, and toaster and teapot. Okay, that's it. That was Tanya from Spotahome, London. I hope you liked this video and this apartment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and hope to see you in the next videos. Bye bye.